Hi boys and girls, welcome back to Mystery Granny's Schoolhouse. Today we are going to learn about telling time. Let's learn. The first thing you need to know is what to call these hands. This is the hour hand. The short one is called the hour hand, and the second hand is called the minute hand. So when the hour hand goes on a number, we call it that hour. So this right here is 12. What time is it? It is 12. So if the hour hand is at 1 and the big hand, the minute hand, is on the 12, we say this is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. What number is this? If the small hand, the hour hand, goes on the 2, we say it's 2 o'clock. So how do you say that? What time is it? This is 3 o'clock. What about this? This is 4 o'clock. And if you know how to count, it's easy to tell time. The small hand is on the 5, the big hand is on the 12. This we call 5 o'clock. What about this one? We say this is 6 o'clock. Can you guess? Yes, it's 7 o'clock. What time is it now? It is 8 o'clock. What is it? It's 9 o'clock. You guys are so good. Next comes 10 o'clock. 10. This is 10 o'clock. And that is 11 o'clock. Next, let's learn the minutes. So every number that you see, it goes by 5. So between 12 and 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 minutes. From number 12 to number 1, there are 5 minutes. And from 1 to 2, there are also 5 minutes. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, now, what time is it here? The small hand is the hour hand, and it's on 11, so it's 11 o'clock. But what if the big hand went on the 1? Remember, we count those minutes: 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and 5 minutes. So it is 11:05. This is how we read the clock. It's 11, the small hand tells the hour, and the big hand tells the minutes. So between 12 and 1, there are 5 minutes. So we say 11:05. What if the big hand, the minute hand, was on the 2? How many minutes is that? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we say it's 11:10. 11:10. That's what time it is. What if it's on the 3? How many minutes are there at 3? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we say 11, 15. If someone asks you, what time is that? We say 11, 15. Now, an easier way to remember all these numbers is by counting by fives. So we start at 0, that's 5 minutes. 5, add another 5, it's 10 minutes. 10 minutes, you add another 5 is 15. And then we go on adding 5, 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. 40 plus 5 is 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. 50 plus 5 is 55. And then we go back to 0. So it's a good idea to memorize counting by fives. So let's practice. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and that's 60. That number right there is 59. And one more minute added to the 59 is 60. So there are 60 minutes in an hour. So now that you're familiar with the hour and the minutes, let's see how well you remember. If I put the small hand on the 8 and the big hand on the 12, what time is it? It is 8 o'clock. But if I move the minute hand on the 2, remember we count by fives? 5, what is that? And if you're not so sure, you can count the numbers. This we read as 8:10. If someone asks you what time is it, we say it's 8:10. Next, let's try what about that? We read the hour first. The hour hand, the small hand is on the 1, so we know it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock plus how many minutes? We count. It's on a 5. We count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, what time is it? It is 1:25. Now let's learn how to write the time. This is 1:25. And on paper, this is how we write 1:25. There's a colon right here. So 1, that means 1 o'clock plus 25 minutes. 1:25. It is 1:25. Let's do another practice time. Let me see. What time is... What time is that? The hour hand is on the 3, the small hand, so we know it's 3 o'clock, past 3 o'clock. 3, and then we count the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. What is it? 40. So this is 3:40. And the way we write 3:40 is we write the hour first, which is 3, and minutes, 3:40, 40 minutes. So the time is 3:40. Are you getting it right? You guys are so smart. Now I have let me give you a little more difficult one. Let me give you, how about that one? Okay. What time is this? The hour hand is on the 5, so we know it's 5, past 5, and the minutes, and it's not on 1 or 2, it's in between. So we count, number 1 has 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And we have to count each. Usually the clocks have dots or little black marks. This one has numbers to show you how to count so that you learn. So we know that that's a 5 and it's on 7. So 5, 6, 7. It is now 5:07. 5 o'clock plus 7 minutes. And the way we say it is, we say it's 5:07. When we have a single digit number, we add the 0 in the front. So what if we put the big hand on the 13? How do we read that? We know it's 5 o'clock plus how many minutes? Let's see, 5, 10, and it doesn't go to 15. So from 10 we count 10, 11, 12, 13. So the time is 5:13. 5:13. It is 5:13. How are you guys doing? Is it fun? Is it easy? If you concentrate and keep practicing, you will be very good at this, okay? Now let me test you, okay? Okay, try to figure out what time this is. Okay, I'll give you a few seconds. First, read the hour hand, the small hand, which is that. And then you count the minutes. Did you guess? Okay. The answer is, see if you guessed it right. It is 7, because we know it's 7 o'clock. 7, and then you count the minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, and it doesn't go all the way to 25. It stops where? 21, 22, 23. So it is 7:23. 7:23. Isn't that easy? All you do is count the numbers. Okay, boys and girls, you have done so well. Granny's going to test you with one more problem, okay? Let's see if you get it right. Okay, what time is that? Count the hour hand first, and then the minute hand. Did you get it? Okay, let's say it together. It is, first we say 10, and then if you count the minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, or if you want to count all the numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and go all the way down, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So it's 10:39. And how do you write 10:39? You write 10. The number on this side of the colon is the hour, and the number on this side of the colon, this is the colon, is the minutes. So it's 10:39. It is 10:39. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And if you have trouble reading the clock or telling time, keep practicing, okay? Because the more you practice, the better you will get. Thank you for joining this Granny today, and we hope to see you next time. Bye!